everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Stream. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on homecoming from the 8th to the 12th of December 2025 on Monday. Zethu and Sifiso find each other in a place of peace, however fragile for now. Meanwhile, Siphamandla gets wise guidance until he hit back a brick wall. Magomede finds she loves the smell of money on Tuesday. Zethu and Sifiso are spotted in a compromising position. Nofundo's plan to help Siphamandla goes spectacularly wrong, while Magomede has all the Stokvel ladies in an uproar on Wednesday. Mankwanyane finally confronts Sifiso about his disappearing act, while Zethu falls over ever deeper. Siphamandla and his mother find a middle ground, but he and Vusi fall out. Magomede goes through hell with the Stokvel ladies. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.